Hi, Michael here again. I'm an English as a foreign language teacher and I run the Gold Lotus project, which looks at ways of using virtual reality to improve the way you learn or teach English. Now, you are in my beautiful, fresh, clean, modern apartment here. Look out of the window. Can you see those mountains? Isn't this a beautiful property? Now, in real life, unfortunately, I can't afford a property like this, but thanks to the power of virtual reality, it doesn't cost me a penny. But that's enough about my personal financial situation. Let's now learn some prepositions in English. And I want to show you how you can learn English grammar in a more creative way. Without further ado, let's now load an object, a simple coffee cup. You can see that there. We're going to place that on the table like that. So, where is the cup? Tell me. Good. The cup is on the table. On. Good. So let's now learn another preposition. But actually, before that, there's something more important to do. And that's good. Not as good as real life, but that is good. That is good coffee. Anyway, sorry. Back to the grammar. So, the cup is on the table. Good. Let's bend down. And where is the cup now? Where is the cup? Good. The cup is under the table. It's under the table. Excellent. So, mind my head. Excellent. Now, with the power of virtual reality, let's do that. Where is the coffee cup? Is it on the table? No. Is it under the table? No. It's next to the table, next to. You could also say beside, B-E-S-I-D-E, beside the table. Good. So that's another preposition of place. Now, where is the coffee cup now? Is it on the table? Is it under? No, it's above. We often say above for objects which are not physically touching most of the time. So often there's space, and you can see that space here. So the coffee cup is above the table. It's not on it. This is on, that's on, and this is above. Good. Where is the coffee cup? Excellent. It's above my head. Where is the coffee cup? Is it on my hand? No, it's under. Next to or beside my hand. Above. And there's another preposition you could say here. You could say over. So above or over in this context is the same, okay? The coffee cup is above or over my hand. So there we go. That's just a quick example of how you can use virtual spaces like this to build your grammatical skills. Now, if you would like to know more about how to do this, you can visit my website. That's goldlotus.co, and you'll find lots of information, particularly on the blog. Take a look at the blog. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube video and YouTube channel to stay up to date with the latest English learning videos. And if you want to meet me in a space like this, then please get in touch. Send a message below. Contact me at goldlotus.co and you'll find all the information there. So there we go. I need to get back now to drinking this coffee. So I hope you have a great day. And next time you walk into the kitchen, find an object and just place the object on the table, under the table, next to it, and just begin to think a bit more deeply about how the physical objects around you can be used to refresh your grammatical knowledge in a foreign language, in English in this case. So that's it. Have a great day and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.